Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. ### tutorial, potentiometers and pico with micropython. ### introduction. Potentiometers are variable resistors that can be used to adjust the voltage in a circuit. They are commonly used in electronics for controlling various parameters like volume, brightness, etc. The Raspberry Pi Pico is a microcontroller board that can be programmed using MicroPython, a beginner-friendly version of the Python programming language. In this tutorial, we will learn how to read the value of a potentiometer using the Raspberry Pi Pico and MicroPython. ### requirements. Raspberry Pi Pico. Potentiometer. Breadboard and jumper wires. Computer with Thonny IDE installed. ### steps. 1. Connect the potentiometer to the Raspberry Pi Pico as follows. Connect one end of the potentiometer to 3.3 V, VCC, pin on the Pico. Connect the other end of the potentiometer to GND, ground, pin on the Pico. Connect the middle pin of the potentiometer to an analog input pin on the Pico, example pin GP26. 2. Open Thonny IDE on your computer and connect to your Raspberry Pi Pico. 3. Write the following MicroPython code to read the value of the potentiometer. 4. Save the code to the Raspberry Pi Pico as potentiometer_example.py. 5. Run the code on the Pico by clicking the Run button in Thonny IDE. 6. Turn the knob of the potentiometer and observe the values printed on the console. The value will change based on the position of the potentiometer. ### explanation. We import the machine module to use the ADC, analog to digital converter, feature of the Raspberry Pi Pico. We create an ADC object potentiometer_pin using pin GP26 as the analog input pin. In the while loop, we continuously read the analog value of the potentiometer using read_u16 method. We print the potentiometer value on the console. ### conclusion. You have successfully learned how to read the value of a potentiometer using the Raspberry Pi Pico and MicroPython. This basic example can be extended to control other components or parameters in your projects. Experiment with different pins and components to explore more possibilities with potentiometers and the Raspberry Pi Pico.